Welcome to our home. We've enjoyed living here for a wonderful and lucky 13 years. And if you love privacy, you'll love our home. The front of our home looks out onto a farmer's field which wraps around the side of our house and adjoins a protected wooded area that runs the length behind our house. One of the first things that really struck me about the home when we first moved in was just the open and light and airy nature of the house. It seemed always filled with warm sunlight that was just bright and a happy space.
One of the things that drew me to the house is that it has a lot of spaces for entertaining, but they all connect. You can have your formal dining area, and of course everyone gathers in the kitchen. Move through to the day, we're in the family room where we can all share the holiday together.
And the expansive lower level is a great place to put the kids and let them have the run of the place. One of the good things about being the original owner is that when we built the house, we got to add a lot of extras that were important to us, such as recessed lighting, the hardwood floors on the bias throughout the first floor, the tray ceilings in the dining room and the bedroom.
Another great retreat in our house is our master bedroom, which we love. It not only has his and her walk-in closet, it has a wonderful sitting room off of the bedroom area, which I love. And it's quite a sanctuary to be able to go up there and read, and it's cozy, I love it, and watch TV, watch my shows when I want, and a wonderful, nice size, beautiful bathroom with a separate water closet, which we really like.
My wife loves planting, and she creates such beautiful plantings and just beautiful areas on our deck and patio that she loves to enjoy. Another thing we enjoy about our home is the location. We are closely located to the New Jersey Turnpike, which allows us great access into Philadelphia. We travel up into New York and even down into Baltimore. We love the various cultural activities and attractions our area has to offer, and the Turnpike really affords us easy access to them. Couple that with our privacy from our backyard and the farm next door, it's just a win-win situation.
Well, and also we're very particular people, and in choosing our home, we felt that we wanted everything perfect for this house, to be able to entertain in it and bring our family here, and that's why we think you'll love it too.